Yeah, I
Okay.
already. Yeah. So hi, what's your name?
My name is Mia.
Hi, Mia. So, do you have any idea what is our topic for today?
I think the name of our lesson today is happy and healthy. I think in my in my life, we need to stay healthy and also happy to live my felt live my felt always good that we can what we can live more. Yes,
Longer, right?
yes, yes.
So, would you believe that whenever I eat healthy foods, it makes me happy? So, do you feel the same way, Mia? When you eat
Yeah.
healthy foods, you feel happy. You feel the same way,
Uh,
like teacher?
yes, yes.
Yes. So, how old are you, by the way?
I'm 11 years old.
Whoa, you have a pretty face. I like your face. It's so pretty. Okay, so today, Mia, um, you can see the recording, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so for our exercise number one, so what can you see or what will you describe this picture, Mia? You can see the
Yes.
picture.
In the picture, there are many vegetables like uh, tomatoes, chili, carrots,
Yeah.
uh, uh, and many. And I think it's very good for our health. We need to eat this every day.
So it has different kinds of vegetables, right? So
Yes.
can I correct you, Mia? So could you please read this one?
Basket.
Very good. Okay, repeat after me. Basket.
Basket.
Very good. This one.
Uh, vegetable.
Okay, so it is read as vegetable. Veg.
Yeah. Uh,
Repeat after me.
vegetable.
Vegetable.
Veg. Uh, vegetable.
Very good. Okay. So it has different kinds of vegetables, right? So Mia,
Yeah.
what is your favorite vegetables here? It has a what? Could you read
I
it
like
out, Mia? It has
tomato.
very
Tomato.
good. You have a nice voice. I like your accent. It feels like you're fluent in English, right?
Yes.
Yeah, very good. So, Mia, could you please answer me what is your favorite vegetables here in the picture?
I like uh, potato.
Wow, you like potato, especially when it's fried, right?
Yes.
French fries. You like French fries?
Yes, I like.
Yeah, but it's not healthy if you eat it more often, right?
Think we need to eat it uh, once a week. Like
Not not actually once a week, but you could eat French fries, but at least balance and eat healthy foods, okay?
yeah.
Yeah, very good. So next, could you please read this for me, Mia?
What
This.
eggplant,
Very good. This one?
carrot.
Yeah, very good. Okay, Mia, may I ask, do you believe or yes or no that if we eat healthy foods, it makes our life colorful? Yes or
Yeah.
no?
My,
Um,
yes, I think it can.
yeah. Yes, right? Because if we eat healthy foods, it makes our life longer, right? So that's why even if we are young, we still have to eat healthy food so that it will make our brain what? It will make our brain smarter. Like you're smart, a smart kid, right?
Yes.
Yes, because you listen to teacher. That's a smart kids do, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So
Okay.
so we have different kinds of colors, right? Mia,
Yes, it's
right? Okay.
right.
So there are primary colors, secondary colors, and tertiary colors. So here, Mia, there are kinds of different colors. So could you please read this for me, Mia?
Yes.
Color
Red.
red. So in your language, red is this.
Yeah.
Yeah, right? Is it correct?
Yes, it's correct.
Yeah, very good. Okay, so this one, what color is this, Mia? Color.
Is color green.
Very good. So in your language, it is
Green.
correct.
Yeah.
Oh, very good. And then here, what color is this, Mia?
It's yellow.
Yellow. Very good. So may I ask, what is your favorite color, Mia? What is your
Uh,
favorite
I
color?
I like red and black.
You like red and black?
Yeah.
Oh, really? You don't like pink?
No, I think
Oh, no,
pink.
why?
I don't like pink.
Why? Why?
Yeah.
Could you please share with me, or is it okay?
Yes, I don't like pink because I think it's very
Girly stuff?
yes.
Yeah, also,
I don't like pink. I want to the color. With me, I choose it, and I will read for you.
wow. So you have a nice taste of colors. So next,
Yes.
for our exercise to Mia. Um, before I proceed or move on to another topic, could you please smile for me? Can I see your beautiful face and smile for Teacher Zell? Can you smile, Mia? Wow, you have a beautiful smile. Can I see your teeth? Again, again. Wow, pretty. You know that you're pretty.
The teacher here, my I like my color because I think it's very matter. Do you know matter?
Hmm?
Matter.
Matter?
I love my color because it's I think it's very matter.
Ah, okay. So Mia, here in the picture, what can you see about this? Or could you describe this picture?
I think uh she is the woman. She has curly hair and I think uh s- uh she
Go on.
she's smiling, wearing a gray and pink jacket.
Wow, you have a very observant. You're so very observant, Mia. Okay, so could you please read this for me, Mia?
Woman,
Woman. So repeat after me, please. Woman.
woman.
Woman. Very good. So in your language, this is,
This
am I
is
correct?
yeah,
Okay. So she is also like you. She is
yeah.
once like a kid, but now she is called as woman since she is a grown up woman. So later on, when you will be getting older, you will also be called as woman. So she is like you, right? Very pretty. She has a nice teeth and a nice smile, right, Mia? Do you agree with teacher?
Yes.
Yes, very good. So this Mia, could you please read this for me?
Yes. Okay.
This one,
Hair.
hair. Very good. Again, repeat after me. Repeat after teacher. Hair.
Hair.
Very good. This one, read this for me, please.
Uh, I hair.
This
Curly.
curly. Very good. Repeat after me, please. Curly.
Curly.
Very good. So a girl has a curly
Curly
hair.
hair.
Very good. So curly means wait, huh? This one. Is it correct, Mia?
Oh, I think a curly hair.
Yeah, curly hair. Here.
Okay. Okay.
Ah, very good. It's
Mẹ
correct.
ơi, curly người ta ghi là quăng luôn mẹ. Yes.
Okay.
Quăng là xong.
So next, Mia. Since she is smiling, what is shown in the picture? Here, her what? Could you please read this?
Her too.
Very good. Her what?
Too.
Very good. So this one, Mia, could you please read?
Skin.
Skin. So she has a nice skin, right?
Yes.
Yes. She's so beautiful like you. So what is this is also one of the colors, right, Mia? What is this? Color?
Brown.
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 Is it also your favorite color?
But I think the đậm là gì?
This one, is it correct?
Yes.
Brown.
Brown.
Wow. So you like color brown or not?
I think I like a little.
Oh yeah, it's nice. I feel like if you wear something brown or red and black, it really suits you, right? You know what
Teacher,
it means?
your hair is brown.
Yeah, her hair is actually brown, right? You see in the picture? Yeah, very good. You're so very observant, right?
Yeah.
Such a smart kid. Okay. What is the color again? This one? This one.
Gray.
Very good. Again, gray.
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 Very good. This one.
Smile.
Smile. Okay, smile.
Smile.
Can I see again your beautiful smile, Mia? Wow, so
Yeah.
pretty. You have a nice teeth. Can I see it again? Smile. Wow. Okay, for our last exercise, Mia, could you please describe the picture below?
Yes. He is man. I think he laughed very loud.
Wow, very good. Okay, so you see that a man is laughing, right?
Yeah.
Maybe his friends is joking. That's why he laughed, right?
Yeah.
So, do you laugh more often when your friend is joking to you or what? Do you laugh more often?
Yes. But
Yes.
I think it's often in sometimes
Yeah,
my friend
sometimes.
joke and uh, she
This
she
is
thought
often.
that she thought that is we didn't didn't laugh.
Really?
Uh, it's like uh, it's
Go on.
like
Do you want to chat it with me?
I think laughing is forbidden.
Forbidden?
Yes.
Why? I know. Really?
I think it's a jelly. A jelly.
Yeah. He is a what?
She will give me a jelly that laughing is I think laughing is
Laughing. Okay. Let's translate it, huh?
forbidden.
Forbidden.
Yes.
Laughing is forbidden there. Okay. Let's move
My
on.
friend.
Okay. Okay.
I think it's a challenge.
Oh, really? Okay, Mia. Could you please read this for me? Is it
Man.
man? So you see that a man is what?
Laughing.
Laughing. So earlier you see that a woman is smiling, but now
Yeah.
a man is laughing.
Laughing.
Yeah, very good. So this one, read this for me, please.
Mouth.
Mouth. Very good. I like your accent, Mia. Yeah, you have
Yeah.
a very fluent accent in English.
Yeah.
No, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. This one, please. Could you please read this for me?
Is t-shirt.
Okay, repeat after me, ha. Repeat after teacher. T-shirt.
T-shirt.
Very good again. T-shirt.
T-shirt.
Very good. Okay, so as you can see, Mia, in the picture, the man is wearing color what? His
The
t-shirt is color blue. Very
blue.
good. Okay, so next is a man is laughing because his friend might give him a what do you read this one, Mia? Excuse me, are you there?
Oh, yeah.
Hi, Mia, are you there?
Yeah. Can you listen to me?
Mia?
Yeah.
Okay, so how can you read this one, Mia?
Teacher, can you listen to me?
Okay, okay.
Đây này, do con inter.
What?
Teacher,
Yes?
here I'm here.
Yeah, okay.
I'm here. My internet has a problem.
Oh, okay. Okay, so let's move on. Is it okay with you?
Yes, it's okay.
Okay. So, could you please read this for me, Mia?
It's funny.
Funny, right? Funny.
Yeah.
Repeat
Funny.
after me. Funny.
Funny.
Okay, so may I ask Mia, is it okay to ask if is it okay with you if your friend is funny, or do you love it when your friend is funny?
Yes, I think I love my funny friend
Mm.
next to me.
Wow, they're funny, right? When
Yes.
people around you is funny, it feels like the world is very giving, right?
Yes, like my dad. My dad is very funny.
Wow, he's a joker.
Yeah, I think
Wow.
he's very funny.
Okay. He's a joker, so maybe you're a joker too. Are you a joker?
Yes.
You're a joker.
Yes.
Okay. Can
I
you
make some joke for my sister.
Okay, can you make a joke for me? Is it okay to teacher? Can you make a joke for teacher Zell?
I think I
What?
I think there's not
If it's okay with you, Mia. But if it's not, it's fine with me. So
I
you
don't know.
what?
I don't know. But when I will share when I and my sister go on the go to the picnic like that.
Hmm.
I s- I see something and that I don't remember. But when I read a book here and my sister sits next to me and I sing and my sister laugh.
And
I
she
don't
laughed.
know.
Why?
Yes, I laugh. I laugh too.
Okay, Mia. Teacher Zell has a joke too. Do you want to do you want to know what's my joke?
Yes, it's okay.
Okay. What do you call when you see a star and you see a fish in the sea?
Please, Lapis.
All right. I think I think it's not a joke anymore because you know it, right? Is it
Yes,
corny? Okay, but you laugh. You laugh, right? You laugh at teacher Zell.
yes,
So you love my jokes.
yes.
Yeah, okay, good. So next is, could you please read this for me, Mia?
Laugh.
Very good. Can I see you laugh like teacher Zell? Laugh. Laugh like when I joke to you, right? You laugh.
But I don't know.
Laugh.
Remember. Uh, I don't know what is the example.
Okay, so laugh is this one. Is it right, Mia? Laugh.
Yeah.
Okay. So Mia, did you learn something from teacher Zell?
Yes.
Did you learn something from
I,
teacher Zell?
yes, I learned.
Okay. Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Yeah, very good. So may I ask before I end this lesson? Okay, so what are the things or the topics that you remembered? What have
Topic.
we Okay, so what?
I think the topic the first if we need to eat vegetable every day to stay healthy.
Yeah, very good. Next.
Next to make we will always laugh laugh always smile to give me my life
Yeah,
happy. We need to laugh too.
very good, Mia. So, in all, Mia, do you agree that um in order us to be happy and live longer, we should eat healthy foods, right? So,
Yes.
as a smart kid like you must always eat a healthy food. Like teacher Zal. I'm also a student and I always eat healthy foods for me to retain what I studied. So you may ask what the course of teacher Zal. Okay, you ask.
Yeah.
Okay, my course, you know what's nurse, Mia?
What the
Nurse, this one.
yes, yes,
Yeah, so as a teacher Zal, as a nurse, I could advise you to eat really healthy foods, right? So that a kid like you are very smart and I want you to keep that way, okay?
yes.
Do you agree with teacher Zal?
Yes, I agree.
Yeah, very good, Mia. So, it was nice meeting you, Mia. You have a
Yeah.
beautiful smile. You should smile more often, okay? I like
Yes,
you.
okay, teacher.
Okay, Mia. Have a good day and bye. See
Bye
you.
bye, teacher.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye. Ka-Digimon girl.
Dapat sa feedback after.
Ambot. Wala, wala ko na yun ang recording.
Hindi ko lang.
Hindi talaga ako. Yote, yote. Hmm.